Good morning, viewers. My name is Sutap. Today I am going to discuss an important topic called SuccessFactor Data Center. Before we start our discussion, we have to understand what is SuccessFactor Data Center. SuccessFactor Data Center is a cloud specific server where the client wise configuration will be saved and users can access the product through a particular URL. It is a cloud product, so manual server installation is not required. When a customer is planning to implement SuccessFactors solution, at that time they might be unknown for SuccessFactors data center setup. Most of the customers will come from SAP on-premise solution or others on-premise systems. And they can ask certain questions related to data center. It is almost common for all customers and consultants who have started their career recently. I am creating this blog for those customers and consultants who are looking for an idea related to SuccessFactors data center. The customer might ask few questions like how many SuccessFactors data center are available across the globe? Is SuccessFactors given any dedicated number for data center? How do you know where it was installed? If anyone is belonging from India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, then what will be the option to access the data center? Let me discuss this one by one. I hope all doubts related to the data center will be clarified by watching this blog. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to write your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts by giving the answer. The SuccessFactors will give a dedicated number for their data center started from DC along with 2 digits numerical value. This code represents the country. Suppose for Amsterdam they have given data center code DC02. Hope you are following my screen. Here I have given all the data centers along with 3 sales demo data center. In this slide I have shown a dedicated URL for production and test. That means through this particular URL you can access your server. I have also given application server details, external domain for mail server along with mail server IPs. I am taking a pause and displaying all the related slide. Based on your requirement, you can take the screenshot or you can copy the URL. Now, I am going to discuss if you are not getting any data center in a particular country, then the nearest data center access will be given by SuccessFactor. Suppose a company belongs to India. They are trying to implement a SuccessFactor product, but India does not have any data center available for their country. In this case, SAP will provide the data center access from Singapore, because Singapore and India both are Asia specific. The same example will be applicable for Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, etc. I am sharing one more slide where you can understand how the SuccessFactors segregates their URL. Hope this blog will help you to understand the concept. If you feel it is really helpful, then share it with others and like and subscribe to this channel for more essential inputs. Thank you. Take care. Bye.